This is the Go book for Office 2013, and we're in PowerPoint Chapter 1. We're doing Project 1B, and this is the second video for 1B. We're on page 749. We're going to start with Objective 8, apply slide transitions. And it says go to slide 1. And actually down here, there's obviously some text up there. Let me take the mouse and select it. And I'm going to guess that the color is this color. And there should be some text down here, I guess, too, somewhere. And actually, I should be able to select that. Let's do a Control Z there. I'm not sure what happened, but down here, how far left can I go? Can I get to the edge? And no, I can't. I just have to do Control Z. I'm going to select the whole box here and make it blue. And there we go. That was a smart way to do it. Okay, now I want to go to slide 1. And on the Transitions tab, okay, apparently I was supposed to move this one back up, and I missed that step somewhere, so I'm going to move that back up. And I'm looking at page 749, the top of page 749, and I have apparently an extra slide here. This one looks like it's supposed to be down here in front of that, and I'm sorry, right after that. So those are my last 3 slides, and then this one is 4, and I can't really see what number 3 is supposed to be. It looks like Visit Seattle. Okay, I'm looking at page 750 now, and so it looks like my first one is this slide, and then Visit Seattle is the second one, and this is the third one, and this is the fourth one, and the 5th one. And okay, it looks like I'm up to speed now, so must have missed something before, but now we should be okay. Activity 1.31 on page 749. Go to slide 1 and go to the Transitions tab up here. And this is how a transition is how one slide disappears and the next one appears. And we've got a whole bunch of choices here. And the one we want is in the exciting group. Now, I don't know why these are not in alphabetical order, but they're not. So we're looking for something called doors in here, and there it is. And we'll see a little preview of how it's going to work. And under Effect Options here, yeah, we want horizontal, so it goes like that instead. And then the timing group over here, we want to apply this to all of our slides. Right now, it just applies to how the first slide appears. So now, if we go from slide to slide, we'll see that doors transition. Now we're on page 750, activity 1.32, setting slide and transition timing options. I don't think you're ever going to do this because you don't know exactly how long it's going to take you to say what you want to say, or if you're going to have questions or interruptions. So actually, I'm going to skip that. So let's go to activity 1.33, displaying a presentation in reading view. And down here at the bottom, we've got the little book, which is the icon for reading view. Let's click on that. And the idea here is, again, to kind of make it look like you're reading a book. And we want to press the space bar, and that takes you to the next one. And we want to click on the button. And this really isn't very much different from just the ordinary slideshow view. Now we're on, click on Previous. You can move forwards and backwards down here using the 2 arrow buttons. And when you're done, you can display the menu. and we want to end the show, and now we're back in normal view. Now we're going to go to the Insert tab, and we're going to go to the text group, and we're going to go to header and footer, and do notes and handouts. And under include on page, we want date and time, so turn that checkbox on, and turn on update automatically. It's already on, so we can leave that. Clear the header checkbox if necessary. It's already cleared. And select the page number and footer checkboxes, so footer should be turned on. And in the bottom here, we're going to put the file name, and again, there's no shortcut for that, so just do last name, first name, and 1B Seattle. And there's probably an underscore in the original, so I'll put the underscore in there. So that's our file name, and we want to apply that to all. That's for printouts, remember. Now we want to go to Backstage View, which is clicking on the File tab. And at the bottom of the Properties list over here, this is the stuff that we always skip. So if you wanted to, you could put some values in here for properties. We're not going to do that. We're going to do a save. And that takes us to the end of Chapter 1.